C&L Bayview, room 501.
Yes.
A fifth floor room.
Yeah.
It's actually not bad. It's a pretty spacious room.
Yeah. For $35, it's worth
Yeah, it's $35. We've got
The
a decent
closet.
sized closet over here.
Yeah.
Kind of surprised.
True. Mirror.
Little mirrored dressing area.
Yeah, small ref.
We've got a really small balcony. We took some pictures out there already.
Yes.
Go.
Taas kayo. It's like height. But the place is so beautiful and so different. It's, I would say, more of not traditional. Maybe traditional. There's torch there, and there's an ocean there, so it's really cool. I want to go there tomorrow and walk around along the beach.
And the required AC in the room. And of course, no smoking in the room, although they said as long as I close the door, I can smoke in the outside. Oh, wow.
You see that? I like to do a bathtub.
Now, there's actually a step up into the bathroom. That one, if you're not paying attention, could be a problem. Huh.
There's some makeup, something for a girl like
All
me.
right, where's the light for the bathroom? There it is. There it is.
Oh, I love it. Cute.
Oh, wow. They've actually got a full tub and twin showers.
That's cool.
That could be kind of interesting.
Yeah.
It's deep enough, but it's not a whirlpool.
Yep.
And I don't know it for a fact, but I'm hoping that they've got hot water at the tap.
Yeah.
Looks like they do. We'll figure that one out as we go. It's actually a pretty nice little bathroom.
I like it. Look at this one too here in this if you notice it.
Yeah.
Cute.
The, part of the light is from the block walls. I thought that was kind of cool.
Yeah.
Pretty neat decorative fixture. Oh. Well, that's different. And we're back to the original room. They've got TV in here. I'm hoping that that works. The one thing I don't see at this point is I don't see a room safe.
It's okay.
We'll see what's behind door number 2, though. Some drawers, but no room safe.
Yeah.
Well, that's not bad.
It's okay. You can handle it.
And it was like $35 a night to book this. That we booked it through Expedia, so.
Okay.
But that's the little review of the C&L Bayview room 501.